Hey, welcome to Workshop and Home. Today I'm going to build this dethatcher. And as you might have guessed, it dethatches. So I'll put this thing together here. We've got this main piece. Got a bunch of tines and cut through the grass. Some brackets. We got this really cool hockey stick. And we got some instructions. See what those say. Oh. Didn't know that. So first piece is this one. Hard to mess it up because it only goes in one spot. It's that bracket right there. Oh, I'm gonna need some tools. Yeah, if you're curious, all I'm doing is bolting this plate down with some nuts on the back. These are nylon locking nuts. Yeah, maybe we could do this a little faster here. Well, that was loud and annoying. All right, the next step is these doodads. Go something like that, I think. Yeah, it looks like the picture. All right. This is going to be interesting. Yeah, that's never going to be straight. All right, there we go. That looks somewhat decentish, I guess. So I'll get you guys in here to show you what I'm doing. Taking this tine and then sticking it in those little tabs there. And then bending those tabs by wedging a screwdriver in there, and that seems to work pretty good. Just gotta be careful not to get your hand stuck on there. Let's fit this handle in here. should connect up to this axle here, bracket or whatever you call it. So I got this Dethatcher put together, and on the back of my mower, I like to call her Margaret. So we'll take Margaret out and give her a shot. Well, there you go. That should rip out the old grass and the new. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this episode. We'll see you next time.